As we stand on the brink of a profound transformation, the World Economic Forum forecasts a staggering shift by 2025. Imagine this: 85 million jobs will vanish, swallowed by the relentless tide of automation, a reality that underscores the urgent need for workforce adaptation. What lies behind this shift? The answer unfolds through the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence technologies. But hold on. Amidst these daunting predictions of job losses, there's a glimmer of hope. The same report envisions the birth of 97 million new jobs, particularly in the burgeoning field of AI. This juxtaposition serves as a clarion call. Reskilling becomes not just important, but essential. The question looms large: how will you embrace this technological progress to secure your future? Now, let's delve deeper into the discussion of skill levels and job replaceability, a critical element for maintaining job security in today's volatile workforce. Understanding the ebb and flow of market demands can illuminate the path to your worth and longevity in your career. Are you prepared to navigate this intricate landscape? In this context, consider the jobs that occupy Quadrant 2, those that are low-skilled and highly replaceable. These roles face imminent threats from automation, and the recent tech layoffs starkly highlight their vulnerability. What does this mean for you? The clock is ticking, and the stakes are high. Transitioning to Quadrant 3, we encounter jobs characterized by high skill, yet also high replaceability. Think software engineering. These positions are gradually becoming casualties of AI advancements, leaving many to wonder: can corporate success truly coexist with job creation? This precarious balance poses a significant challenge for today's professionals. Conversely, Quadrant 4 presents a beacon of hope: high skill and low replaceability jobs. These positions stand as the most sought after in the evolving landscape, demanding deep expertise and an ability to adapt to incoming technologies. How will you position yourself to seize these coveted opportunities? Enter AI engineers, the champions of this new era. Their unique skill sets propel them into high demand, shielding them from the looming threat of replacement. By harnessing AI technologies early, they maintain a leading edge. Do you possess the courage to become an innovator in your field? And let's not overlook the bastions of security, professionals in medicine and law. Here, AI acts as a powerful ally, augmenting their critical human judgment instead of replacing it. These experts blend their invaluable experience with cutting-edge technology, paving the way for transformational practices. Are you ready to integrate technology in a meaningful way? Yet, a darker shadow looms for creative professionals. With AI efficiently producing content, the threat of replaceability becomes palpable. Still, the top-tier creators manage to carve out a niche by fostering communities and connecting with their audiences on a profound level. How can you harness your creativity to stand out in a crowded field? Fortunately, powerful AI tools like Claude and Gemini have emerged, significantly enhancing writing and research capabilities. These platforms empower users to produce high-quality content with remarkable efficiency. Are you leveraging these innovations to elevate your work? Imagine the potential for businesses, too, with integrated platforms like Odoo streamlining operations. The ability to manage various aspects of work in one cohesive space is a game changer. Can your organization adapt and thrive in this new order of efficiency? As we conclude this exploration, consider the broader picture. The automation of tasks is pivotal for enhancing efficiency in the workplace. This shift allows individuals to refocus their energies on more strategic, impactful activities. So, where do you fit in this evolving narrative?